morning edition is now in service. This is WIRE 38. Tomorrow broadcast yesterday. Reports for the current monitoring period begin now. The headline report begins. The day's initial signals are coming through. The U.S. economy expanded at a modest 1.5% in the second quarter, while inflation remains persistently elevated. European countries are increasingly opposing FIFA's private equity proposal, with several vowing to boycott upcoming World Cups. Congo reports the death toll from its fastest-growing Ebola outbreak has exceeded 500. Spain has deployed military forces to Ceuta after thousands crossed from Morocco, with at least 9 fatalities recorded. Around 60,000 migrants arrived in Ceuta within 24 hours, surpassing 70% of the city's population. A Hamas disarmament plan, if implemented, could represent a first credible step toward ending the Gaza conflict, potentially removing a key barrier to President Trump's peace initiative. AC Milan and Italy football legend Franco Baresi has died at age 66. Peru's ex-president Ollanta Humala has had a 15-year corruption sentence overturned. FIFA maintains it is not selling football and will continue consultations despite UEFA's boycott threats. Headlines logged. The signal to watch follows. Signal to watch. The Hamas disarmament plan remains active and unresolved at this time. WIRE 38 will compare any evening updates against this morning's record to track developments. The long-wave service now presents the primary signal under observation. Within the Federal Reserve's recent policy decision, 3 officials dissented, urging immediate interest rate hikes to combat inflation. This internal divergence sustains ongoing debate over monetary policy timing. The signal remains active and under observation. Signal file closed. The regional weather bulletin is next. Sunshine prevails from the Pacific Northwest through the Mountain West and Southeast, with warm temperatures reaching into the 90s along the East and Gulf coasts. Moderate rain and unsettled skies continue over the Midwest, bringing damp roads and reduced visibility for rail and shipping, while coastal harbors remain clear with light marine air and no significant fog reported. Farmers in the Midwest should prepare for wet fields, but afternoon clearing is expected elsewhere to ease travel conditions. Further advisories will be transmitted as conditions warrant. Weather desk clear. Reception reports remain open. Final network status. Routing tables have maintained their integrity without unexpected changes, ensuring continuous path availability throughout the system. Network status logged. The current transmission from WIRE 38 is complete. The long-wave service remains on watch. Morning, midday, evening. Good morning.